I am happy to say that we have settled more than 99% of the claims up to rupees 5 lakhs. We have paid 32,750 people a total of 248 crores. So really there is nothing pending up to the guaranteed amount of 5 lakhs, excepting a few couple of hundred where they have not submitted their original documents. Everything else has been cleared. I am also happy to announce that out of the 2,450 loan cases that were outstanding when the license of the bank was withdrawn, we have recovered and closed 1,512 cases. Now only 950 outstanding loan defaulters remain. These persons, we have put their names up on our website so that everybody can know that they are defaulters. And we are pursuing various legal methods through the courts, through the collector, in order to recover this balance. We have also begun selling the assets, the fixed assets of the bank, the properties that were with the bank, and we have sold something like 42 shops and 6 other properties so far, which have fetched us a total of almost 9.5 crores. We have finally also taken out one more advertisement for another 56 shops in Esar Centre of Mapusa, and I am happy to say that the registrar's office, the sub-registrar's office, has taken an additional 9 shops on the second floor to expand their office. So this SR Centre in Mapusa is now going to become a very attractive destination, and we have taken out an advertisement just last week for 56 shops more. There are still other properties, and within the next 6 months we will slowly sell all these properties also, hoping to get the maximum amount in the interests of the depositors in the Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank of Goa.
What are the reasons the defaulters are giving from that?
They are not giving us any reasons. They are, in fact, every single one now of the 950 cases that are pending is in some court or the other. The cases are going on in court, but still we have made an offer. We have the OTS scheme, which is the one-time settlement scheme, and in case any of them want to come ahead and take advantage of the OTS, they are still welcome, in which interest on interest and compound interest is written off, and they pay the interest and they pay the balance amount, and we close the case. So that option is always open. But if they don't want to take that option, the only other option is to pursue through the court.
Okay, what about the amount? Can you tell the amount, how much is spent?
The amount of these 952 people who have not yet made the payment is around, the principal amount is around 27 crores. Okay, there is interest on this also, but the interest depends. If they come in OTS scheme, certain interest will be less. If they don't come under OTS scheme, certain interest will be more, and that interest keeps changing from day to day, because the longer the period, then the interest also keeps increasing. But the principal amount outstanding is approximately 27 crores.
So what are the amount you are expecting from next 6 months?
See, I would not like to say the amount, because if I say the amount, it may prejudice getting the best amount from the public. If I give a certain amount, maybe then people will think, oh no, that is the value, we will bid less. So I would not like to say that amount. We are wanting the highest amount, and if we don't get a bid worth the market price of that property, then we reject the bids, like we have done in the case of some properties. When we get higher than the market price, then we have a committee that looks into it, and then we accept the bid.
And what about the depositors? How many depositors is amount to be paid to depositors?
Well, now, as I say, really the depositors who are left are only those depositors who have more than 5 lakhs in the bank, and that number is 1,444. So these depositors, only 1,444 depositors have more than 5 lakhs. The remaining, we have paid 33,000 people already who have less than 5 lakhs. There are many other thousands of people who have not given applications, maybe because their amounts are very less. Maybe the amounts are less than 1,000 rupees per head, so they have not given. But if they come and they give, we are clearing out those also.
Okay, but what about the amount? Can you tell the amount?
Of these 1,444 persons, 70 crores. 70 crores is the amount that is due to them.
Okay, what about the defaulters? You said 27 crores.
From the defaulters, 27 crores plus interest. It's not that the interest will be zero. Interest is certainly over there, but it depends from case to case. So that amount plus we have properties which we need to sell.
So it will be able to pay all the depositors?
Well, that is our aim. That is our hope. But we cannot give any guarantee. But that is our aim. That is our hope.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.